Hello friends, this is Suresh. Today I'm going to make a short video on a Shotcut application. This is very small tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to set up the first time user's interface and how to edit the video, join, merge and export the video as well. This is a website on shotcut.org. Here I have downloaded. The latest version is everything is free here. It has a tons of features and it's free to extract the video without watermark, and it is an open source as well. Let's begin. Once you start up the Shotcut application, the interface will be totally empty. You just need to enter the new project name, start. So this is the first time user interface will look like this. So the first thing you should do is the timeline. Here we are going to edit, cut, merge, add video, detach the video. Everything's going to happen here. The second thing is playlist. Here we are going to crop or trim the video and paste it here. And jobs, here we're going to see what is happening. Let's take an example. I have a video.
Will take a sub 10-second clock possibly just to advance, so incredible running will be necessary, but it's going to be a fantastic final. These semis are going to be tough.
I have muted this video. I'm trimming this video for it's a 4-5 minutes video. I'm just trimming it to some 10 seconds, around 2.58 minutes to 3.7. It's around 13 minutes 13 seconds. So just drag and drop into the playlist. You can see here the durations and when I started. So again drag and drop it into the timeline. That's it, your cropped video is ready. So that 5 minutes video is reduced to 12 seconds. So whatever we need, I just pasted here. Now I'm going to add 2 more videos in front and at the back. That is intro and outro. Again drag and drop. It's just a 6 seconds. This is my outro. It's just another 9 seconds or 8 seconds video. Just drag and move it aside. I'm pasting a intro here. Adjacent to that, I'm going to click and drag the main video and drag the outro. Again cut and joined. Now you can play and see it. On the next moment itself, you can see that the video has been joined, but it doesn't looks good, right? So I'm going to do some fading on that, like a overlay. Let's take an example. Here just drag it and move overlay, just overlap above another video. Now play it again. Okay.
Good start for DeGrasse. Bolt stumbles, regains his footing, and now he's trailing. Has some work to do. DeGrasse, meantime, pressing for the lead. Usain Bolt coming up. Bolt looking over his shoulder.
That's all. It's ready. Now export file, just save. You can see the percentage here. Once it's crossed 100%, then the file is has been ready, it is ready, then you can take it in a specified location. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll have some idea to explore on this. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.